In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a fire charge in Minecraft 26.1.2, updated 2026 guide. To make a fire charge in Minecraft, you will need 3 ingredients. Gather 1 coal or 1 charcoal, 1 blaze powder, and 1 gunpowder. Any one of coal or charcoal will work for this recipe, so use whichever one you have available. Before you begin crafting, make sure all 3 items are in your inventory and ready to use. Once you have your materials, go to a crafting table and open it. This will give you access to the 3x3 crafting grid. The fire charge recipe is simple and does not require a specific pattern. That means you can place the items anywhere in the crafting grid, as long as all 3 ingredients are present. Take your coal or charcoal and place it into any slot in the crafting grid. Then place the blaze powder into another empty slot. After that, place the gunpowder into a third empty slot. Since the arrangement does not matter, you do not need to worry about matching a special layout. The game will recognize the recipe as soon as all 3 ingredients are placed inside the grid. When the recipe is entered correctly, the fire charge will appear in the result box. Select the fire charge from the output slot and move it into your inventory. Once it is in your inventory, the crafting process is complete. A fire charge can be useful in several situations, especially when you want to create fire quickly or use it as a crafting ingredient in other builds and mechanics. The important part for this recipe is remembering the 3 required materials: 1 coal or charcoal, 1 blaze powder, and 1 gunpowder. Then use a crafting table, place the ingredients anywhere in the grid, and collect the finished item from the result box. If the fire charge does not appear, double-check that you used exactly the right items. Make sure you included blaze powder rather than a blaze rod, and confirm that you used gunpowder along with either coal or charcoal. As long as those ingredients are correct, the fire charge recipe should work without any issue. That covers everything you need to know.